What you will love most about passive income is that it's a great way to help you generate extra cash flow while doing what you want or pursuing your career. Simply because it doesn't depend on how many hours you work. You just have set up your revenue stream, so you can make money with little work needed to maintain it. Here are some of the simple passive incomes that you can have that doesn't require you to start with money. Blogging or vlogging. An internet connection and a powerful content is what you need in this passive income. Nowadays, most popular example of these are vlogs in YouTube. YouTubers earns a lot of money if they have a lot of views and subscribers. This isn't easy. You have to carry with you the passion and the big amount of patience. Because monetization in this field takes a long time, depending on the popularity of your channel. Rent out items. You have these items inside the house that you don't need but still in good shape. Power tools. Mechanics tools. Toolbox. Exercise equipment. Appliances. Lawnmowers. Tents or even large coolers. You said, you might not need them now, but you will be needing it one day. Instead of throwing it away, you decided to keep it and hide it. Hide it? Why not use it as a passive income? Find a way for people to know that you have those items for rent. You can start from small, like online sites for rent or a signage. Then later on you'll find yourself buying more items for your renting business. Affiliate marketing. This investment is connected to blogging and vlogging. Using your website, blog, or any form of social media, you can align yourself with a specific brand and earn residual income. You will just promote the product online. Research affiliate marketing opportunities and courses online to get started. Space for rent. We're not just talking about an extra room for rent here. A beautiful living room or outdoor patio can be a great place for meetings, photo shoots, host parties and bridal or baby showers. Half of a double garage can house someone's vintage car or serve as a workshop. An unused shed or part of a barn could be an affordable alternative to public storage. A detached garage could serve as an artist's studio. Do you have that space? E-book. If you love writing content, consider putting your ideas to paper by publishing an e-book or recording an audiobook. Self-publishing is great. You write a book, hit publish, and then collect royalties for years to come. Go for what sells first. Pick a profitable topic. Educate your potential audience on specific topics like online marketing, finance and business. Do some research about it and start earning. So, have you decided on which idea to try first? Maybe you have more passive income ideas to share. Let us know, just comment below.